I know my whole family isn't together anymore, really. I still love my dad and my mom. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's the war. I still love my dad and my mom. You can't tell me. I love them both the same, even though they're both divorced and crap and shit. I still love my dad and my mom. Yeah, yeah. For all the pain and stuff, I still love my dad and my mom, and my brother and my sister, and everybody else in my family. I still love them all. For my brother Joe, I guess I'm sorry for all the times I fought with him. For my father and my mother, I'm sorry for all the times I lied. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I guess that's true. I still love my dad and my mom. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everything else matters sometimes. I still love my dad and my mom and my whole family. I still like my best friend now, and I still miss him. My best friend Curry who gave my career gave me his acoustic guitar. I still love my dad and my mom. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What you want me to turn this up for you? I'll turn this up for you. I still love my dad and my mom, my whole family. I still love my dad and my mom and my whole family. And everybody else, who are my friends and stuff. Yeah, I still love them all. I still love my dad and my mom and my whole family. Yeah, I guess I was just listening to Too Much Tears Mama and I got this idea. And I'll say this once and I'll say it once. I'm sorry for lying about you, Mel. I was being a bastard and an idiot. I'm sorry about it. I really am. I'm sorry about it. Sorry for trying to get you in trouble. I was being a shithead, yeah. I still love you, Mom and Dad. But I still love you, Mom and Dad. Here I come with the bones of drums for you, Mom and Dad. I asked my Mom and Dad more important than any stupid pills. My Mom and Dad are more important than drugs. Yeah, I still love my mom and dad. And you are appreciated, and you always will be. And yes, my mom and dad are more important than you see here.